Radhe Radhe everyone, welcome back to my channel Aspirants Horizon. So today is day 8 and date is 9th of January 2025. So again for quantitative aptitude, I will be practicing question from quadratic equations. The sources that I am following is Adda 24/7 and EduTap and also previous year questions. So I will be practicing questions from these sources only. And for ESI, I will be starting with a new chapter, Economic History of India. I will try to complete this chapter today. And as you all know, we have completed 3 chapters. So it's important if we revise those chapters as well. Uh, Let me tell you guys, for ESI, it's only 20% that is static part that will be asked in our exams. So it's not important to go in very depth for ESI, but we should know the basic concepts. So it's important we focus on current affairs because most of the weightage is from current affairs, that is 80%. So I will suggest you to cover the basic concepts, read the chapters or go through the basics and then focus more on current affairs for ESI. And for current affairs, the same, I will read editorials from the Hindu newspaper and I will start the current affairs after 10th of January, that is tomorrow. I will see if the EduTap has uploaded the current tab or not. So, when they share the PDFs, I will start from there only. And one more thing that I will add today is descriptive answer writing. So this is the most important aspect. As you know, in phase 2, we have to type our answer in keyboard. So if we will not practice, then it will become very difficult for us to write our answers then and there in the exam. So right now we are in the January month, so we have ample amount of time to practice descriptive answer writing. So if we'll practice only one answer today, at least we'll get to know how much time we are taking to write one answer. So as you all know, we have 10 mark. We have to write answer for 10 marks and for 15 marks. For 15 marks, the word limit is 600 words and for 10 marks, it's 400 words. So we should also get the idea that how much lines we have to write for 400 words, for how many lines we have to write for 600 words. All this we'll get to know from practice only. And in examination, uh, the interface of the exam is very different. So I would suggest you to practice on the notepad. We all have notepad in our laptop or PC. So you can simply open that and you can minimize that notepad like in half screen like this, because in exam also we will have only this much space available for us to write the exam. So if we practice like this only, so we'll get the idea how we'll write the answer in our exam. So I'll be practicing this one answer from EduTap only, as I have purchased the EduTap course. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much.